So today we are making Sukbakgi Kimchi. Sukbakgi Kimchi was one of my favorite when I was growing up. My mother used to make a killer Sukbakgi Kimchi every year. I thought it was very difficult to make Sukbakgi Kimchi because I always run out so fast, we never had enough. So I asked my mom for the recipe. So, and then surprisingly, she told me she put cooked pork. Oh. I wanted to try Sukbakgi Kimchi for the first time. I'm not comfortable to using cooked pork in my Sukbakgi, so I'm using this better than bouillon instead. So this is my first time in making Sukbakgi Kimchi, so I don't want to put too much of it. So I'm just using 1/8 of better than bouillon. Let's find out how it turns out. When you make a Sukbakgi Kimchi, you use only stems of vegetable. So let's get started. my sukbakgi. I made nice lunch today. I cooked avocado roll, and then also this is my favorite. I love sweet potato, but especially I love this Okinawa sweet potato. It's really delicious. I baked them this morning. It's more sweeter and more like a kind of dense than regular potato. It's really dense. It's really sweet. When I eat kimchi, I usually eat with sweet potato. I think that's my favorite. So this is the Sukbakgi Kimchi. It's been already 2 weeks. So I think it's this big better than bouillon. It really works. So this is how I eat. So this one. Surprisingly, I didn't put any sugar at all, but vegetable is really sweet and very crunchy, which I love. This is so simple to make. Just rice, avocado, and roll it up with the seaweed. Okinawa sweet potato. Sweet candy. So good.
So good. Wow.
It's not the same as my mom's, but it's pretty close. It's really good.